Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, we are going to be looking at how to make logo using Canva. If you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So yeah, let's get started. This is the Canva site. I'll be leaving a link to it under the comment section. To begin with, looking at making a logo. Under the search bar, you need to type logo, and you get the option of the type of logo you're looking to make. As you can see on the screen, it's giving option for YouTube logo, animated logo, um, or if it's yeah, based on the type of logo you're looking to make. So you get to have to you can personalize the uh to make it concise. You can um, pa- uh, narrow down on the type of logo you're looking to make. But for this particular episode, I'm just going to take you through a quick step on how to make logo using Canva. So we're going to use the YouTube logo as a sample. So I'm just going to click on the YouTube logo. And as you can see, there's different options coming up. So one thing with Canva is you have the option of a free account or a paid account. An example of if you have a paid account, then you have access to the pro. Like for example, with this one, HM. So that's this is for someone with a paid account. If you have a paid account, you can make use of all um the option that has a pro on it. For this particular episode, we won't be using any of the pro options. We're just simply going to make use of the a free logo. Yeah. Okay. Let's just having a look at the an example of a logo that we can make use of. Okay. Yes. So yeah. So this are some of the different logos you can avail of based on what you're looking to use the logo for. So as you can see, there is different colors, patterns. You can if you are looking to, for example, have a podcast and want to put your face on it, then you can avail of that. We look at this one as a sample. So to be able to use this, you click on the customize this template. So as I said earlier, if you're looking to make use of, like, put your picture on it, in that way, all you just need to do is click on this option here, and then on the three dot at the top, it allows you to either delete. You get to choose any of the option um, that is on the screen. So if you're looking to put your own image, you click on the detach image and then put yeah, like that. So you either delete the image, duplicate, or you can as well put a layer on it. And there's also an option to replace background. For example, if you don't like how the background looks like, you can replace the background. Yeah, so those are the different options to it. Yeah, let's make use of another logo. Yeah, so that's just a quick sample of a logo using, like, if you're looking to use your face. A very simple one. Let's look at this one. So with this, it has just the alphabet in it. And the good thing with this is that you can easily rewrite. So at the moment it has LOOK, and if you're looking to put another alphabet, all you need to do is click on the pencil and you click the option that says rewrite, and you follow the next prompt. So it's given the option of saying write a first draft fast with magic write. Yeah, so you can always change the alphabet. Let's just use one as an example. So as you can see, I'm changing the alphabet such that it comes exactly like it was. Okay, yeah, so I'm looking to write ABCD. So that will be C and a D. So I've literally just changed the words on the previous logo. Yeah, so that's an example of how to change the letters. Yeah, so basically, in order to make any changes, all you need to do is click on these three dots, the little three dots, and then it gives the option to do anything you're looking to any changes you're looking to make. If you're looking to add some colors, click on that option that has A on it. Let's use the pink one as an example. So I'm just going to erase the previous one I've done. So I'm looking to use pink, combination of pink and purple. So that's A, B, and then I'll be using a purple, C, C, and a D. Yeah, so that's another way to change the colors. Yes, use a dark purple. Yeah,